Hi, this is CEO of Dan Serin Corporation Limited, the training and consultancy arms of Singapore Human Resource Institution, focusing enable knowledge required and skill development at both corporate individual level. We take pride and growth and develop of the citizen and focus energy on providing practice-oriented corporate training and development consultants to level up human capability. To excel the increased competitive and knowledge-driven business world, we have foster sharing of best practice and continuous learning culture that will be ensure the development of human resource capital into the highly education, skilled and employed one. Our company is facing some loss due to some reason. We have nearly 5 lakh customer, but they can't reach us. Our goal is to achieve 30% of growth rate by the year 2000. Meeting this target would be difficult. Can anyone suggest me any idea to achieve our target?
I have one suggestion. I'm the head of BPR, Business Process Reengineering. Serin Corporation is a manufacturer and distributor of customized automotive spare parts. It is the leading automotive spare parts company in US. Its products are covering designs and manufacture custom car covers, seat covers, or etc., dashboard, etc. The main problem of the Serin Corporation is older software like Microsoft Visual C++. Identify the problem of the company is many customer order through phones, tablets, etc. They received 5,000 kind of order in 2000. It make company employees too difficult. So we want to implement the new software. This is my opinion.
I agree with this point. I am software changed. The main problem of the company is configuring software. The customer order 50,000 lakh product through online using phones in 2000. So it's difficult to worker using the older software like Microsoft Office want to replace ERP Band 4 with the help of Band Corporation. The implementation of software is easy to customer also choose color and fabric material easy for employers. We want to implement the new software for customers.
I am testing it. We want to testing and training the company employees to work in this software. Also, we want to this software is easy to customer want to check. Going live. We want going live in 12 o'clock. Oh, super. This software is easy to work and custom.
Benefits for the software by empowering customers to service themselves, converting remote order entry solution, enable the company to service a growing with its exciting workforce. Coworking also experts bands planning, increase its productivity and to short-term around time for manufacturing custom products by 25%.
Overview of the company. Don't depend on old technology, update ourselves. To increase profit, use computer-based technology. Easy to use will boost the customer to order. Use the method which is available to everyone. Time management is very important, so make it quick and efficient. Using the web page is best method because internet is available everyone. Thank you.